Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with a super cute project. This is Boxable number 8. If you are not familiar, I've been doing a workshop that's called Boxable. It's all about boxes. You get 12 boxes for the year, unique boxes, of course, and you also get what I call a resizing sheet. I teach you how to resize every single one of these boxes for whatever size album you want. All right, so let me just show you about this box and then I'll tell you a little bit more about Boxable if you're not familiar with it. When you're looking in my shop for Boxable, you want to go ahead and look for this icon here. And again, it's 12 months of mini album storage boxes. Okay, this one, number 8, really cute. I'm going to talk to you about products used here very quickly. For the box, I use Sweater Weather by American Crafts. That's for the outside of the box. And the embellishments as well, the ephemera pieces, which is really cute. For the top of the box, I did something a little different here. I created a little scene on the top off to the side, and I think it just looks so cute. All right, as opposed to putting something on the front like we typically do, right? Just to kind of do that. So this is the way the box opens. All right, you can do anything you want on this front cover. You can put a really giant panel here to put another image or whatever kind of collage you want to do. You can put a pocket on the front cover if you want to. In Boxable, I give you the shell, if you will, and you can do these up as much or exactly the way I did them, but I want you to run with these styles. All right, and in the videos I give you some ideas of what you can do and what you shouldn't do either. All right, because there's always some do's and some don'ts. So right here I've got a cute little insertion point for some fun goodies, and it's absolutely adorable. This opens up like so to reveal your album. I also, in the video, I tell you that you can do pockets on the inside if you want to. However, you do have to factor in the bulk, so you have to size your panels accordingly. And again, I talked the spacing accordingly, and I talked to you about all of that in the video. But again, ideas, if you have more photos that you couldn't fit into your album or some things you want people to look at right off the bat, you can do that here and or in the front, which would be really cute as well. All right, so the mini album was brought to us by Wendy Egan, and she is a fellow crafter. You can find her on the Facebook fan page if you want. But I'm going to show you what she did for her album. Here is the inside of the box. Again, super duper cute. Got some peanuts in there. And it closes up nice and tidy with the lid. And you've got a really nice presentation for your album. Why did I do the Boxable workshop? Because I feel that a mini album is not complete unless it has a storage box. So I wanted you guys to have an array of storage boxes to choose from, and you can take whichever one you want from there to suit your needs or to fit your style. And the fact that you can size them to a teeny tiny box for a 4x6 album or something for a larger album such as this one, obviously you have limitations with the size of chipboard and cardstock and decorations that you use in terms of pattern paper, but the possibilities are truly endless. So style number 8, there's the back, really beautiful. So pretty cool, guys, I think, on style number 8. And here is the album. Again, with Boxable, the album that we're using is the All Occasions Mini Album 2, because I have 2 of those available. I have a style 1 and a style 2. This is style 2. And she used for her album, pay attention to the paper collections here, Snow Fun by Carta, I Love Winter by Echo Park, the I Love Winter Coordinating Solids, and she used the ephemera tags and frames from both the Snow Fun and the I Love Winter collections. Both of these are by Carta and Echo Park, so that should be really easy for you to find. All right, so here's her album. She chose to do this cover here. Remember, this album comes with 2 cover designs. And if I'm not mistaken, she's going to do obviously winter pictures, but I think it's from her house in Vermont. I assume she spent the winters there with her family. She has 2 gorgeous boys that I assume are her muse, and I can't wait till she fills this up because it is beautiful, this album. The papers are so fun, very youthful, but still you can do adult photos as well, not just kids. So I love that. Check out her photo mats. I am so big on photo mats. I teach you guys how to make photo mats with all of my my biggest projects, but you can use those for all sorts of projects. You just don't have to limit yourself to the ones that it comes with. So check this out. These photo mats look familiar to me. I believe these are from Wendy, which is this is the way you're supposed to use my project. So thank you for demonstrating that. This is from Photo Mats and Inserts number 10. So I love that. Perfection. Over here, you're supposed to mix and match them, interchange them, and just use them up wherever you can. That way you get a lot of bang for your buck. Okay, a lot of my projects, I tell you, I design them and I size them all to work back with one another, because I know a lot of you like to collect the projects, and when you have several of them, you can absolutely go ahead and mix and match. Super cute, this insertion point made with this embellishment right here. Love. Places for 2 4x6 photos. Super cute. Areas for smaller photos. I love. Just adorable. These photo mats are perfect. I love photo mats. Yes, mini albums are fantastic. Pockets are great, but it's all about these right here, my friends. Right here. Doing up these photo mats. Super cute. And there's a side pocket. Look at that. Gosh, how many photos can you get in here? A ton. And if you guys have been following my Boxable series, this looks familiar to you. But just look at how different each and every single one of these albums I brought to you looks, with the paper collections chosen, the different uses of the photo mats, and the different uses of the pockets and pages. So really nice. Beautiful matting here. You have some serious matting skills, darling. Love, 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 love. Gorgeous. I'm going to put this one out here. There and there. Sorry if I'm messing up your groove here, babe. But super duper cute. Look at that. A small layout, if you will, right here on the inside of the page. Lots of layering and collaging here. Very nicely done. Love. I feel like a critic. But it's just really beautiful. Look at that. I love the follow through here. When you have lots of pattern or smaller spaces, you absolutely want to follow through with the pattern. If not, it looks choppy. So this is really nice. Beautiful. Follow through with the pattern. Not necessarily saying that if you don't follow through with the pattern, it's going to be wrong, but you have to pick and choose your places as to where you're going to do pattern on pattern on pattern. You have to be careful with that. So really nice. Oh, super cute on the embellishments here. Very, very few embellishments, but strategically placed, that just makes this so much fun to look at. Nice. Here's another one of these deconstructed envelopes. Over here, look at super cute photo mats. Love. Love, love, love. Again, matting skills. I give you a 10. I'm not going to grade anybody's matting skills. I'm just joking. This is lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Love. Here. Look at how smart. The Paper Phenomenon signature cut, guys, right here. This is a pocket card. What do you do with this pocket card besides take a photo mat and stick it right here, and then it's just going to look like it's just floating there? You cut into the image, and then you can do little pieces, insert little goodies like that, and then insert your photo, and it becomes an interactive element in your album. Just beautifully done. Perfectly executed. Love. And here's a little paper clip. Ugh, a girl after my own heart. Beautiful matting here. A space for a 5x7 photo. Really pretty. I want to keep your album. Can I keep it? Look at how gorgeous. Super cute. Just that little teeny tiny embellishment, and it just makes such an impact. Look. Great use of cutting the paper. Look at how cute. It kills me when you cut pattern paper and you have like legs over here and heads over there. This is the way to do it right here. Super cute. Nice. Dynamite. Look at this matting right here, guys. Look at this matting here. We've got all this heavy pattern here with the houses. If you did that everywhere, it would look completely choppy. You would have been chopping off some roofs. But look at that, how she broke it up with this stripe here. Teeny, teeny, tiny stripe and a medium print. Just spectacular. I love it. Hopefully you guys are taking notes here because this is pretty cool. And another photo mat. Large area for a large photo. Let's check out the matting skills over here. Love it. Follow through, follow through, follow through, follow through. Look at this. That is pretty spectacular. Love that. Let's check out these photo mats. Super cute. So just right here in this page alone, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 photos. So I'm going to say translate that over to the other side. 16 photos. Great way to use the scenery and the paper. How super cute. Ugh, I almost want this paper and there's no snow in Florida. Adorable. I'm glad I was able to see this. Ugh, just lovely. Beautiful. And I love this here. These are really thin belly bands, and these were created not for you to put a photo mat that's from end to end, but for you to be able to stuff this with plenty of photo mats, because the smaller the photo mat, the wider the pocket and the smaller the photo mat, the more you can get in there. So that was the purpose of these really end-to-end style of belly bands here. And if you did different patterns on these belly bands, it would have looked pretty crazy. So this is just perfect. This is perfect use of pattern paper, pattern on pattern. She took the least color used on this paper and brought it over here, which is perfect. Had she did something in the blue or yeah, in this blue, it just would have been too much. So very nice. Love that. This is why I encourage you guys to watch my classes. They're really fun. I decorate the projects from start to finish with you guys, and I just give you a little bit of what my opinion is on matting. My humble opinion, of course. I don't want to sound like I'm a know-it-all. But I really enjoy the matting process, and I think I do a pretty good job at it. And if you guys want to hang out and craft with me and just mat along and work on a project, the classes are on Fridays at 12 p.m. Central. Just go to my website, paperphenomenon.com, and you'll see the classroom button up there in the menu bar. And the classes are free to watch live. Where you have to pay is if you want to watch the recordings, at your leisure. Those are stored on a cloud, and that you have to pay for. But if you're watching live, just hanging out, you can absolutely do that for free. You can take some notes. Look at this, how gorgeous. Love this paper. Your guys are going to have so much fun looking at this album or playing around with this album. Wow. Your entire family is going to have a blast looking at this album. Look at this. I just got to show you the matting over here, guys. Perfect use of this paper. Love it. Gorgeous. I love the red and the blue in this paper collection. It's perfect tones. Really pretty. Look! Oh my God. Absolute perfection. If you want to stick pictures in here, I would do signature cut right there. And make 2 insertion points right there, and you can include pictures in here. It will look gorgeous. Obviously, you can just throw them in there. It's a deconstructed envelope. But to make this interactive, dynamite. Okay. Gorgeous. I love these little eyelets. I've never seen those before. These are like really small. Love that. They don't add too much bulk. She added some pockets right here for tags, for photos. Darling. Love. Look at that. How beautiful. What a fun album. Hopefully you guys were able to take away some inspiration from this album because it is just so magnificent. Look it, look it, look it, look it. Top and bottom. Love that. A little texture here, additional texture here with these little epoxy stickers. And again, you don't want to use this throughout the entire album. It will create so much bulk in your album. So this is the only place so far that she's used this, and it's so nice. Perfect use of, again, of embellishments, spreading them out throughout your album, not on every single page. Yeesh. I know you want to use them up, but you also have to be practical. Beautiful. And here's this last one. I love this here. My favorite. Perfect use of this pattern paper in a really large area where it can be interactive and you do not necessarily have to cut it up or cover it up, excuse me. Gorgeous layout here. Perfect collaging of embellishments. Super duper pretty. I want to keep your album. It's adorable. Like I have any more space in my craft room for projects. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Again, from photo mats and inserts, Wendy has used photo mats and inserts to her advantage. This is what they were made for. Just perfect. All right, look at that. Can create an entire little let's say if you went on vacation but you had one little place that you went to that you want to highlight, that's what you do right here. You put it in these little pieces, in these little inserts, photo mats and inserts, so you can highlight that particular event. All right, just really cute and beautifully done. I think we're doing this right here. Just gorgeous. Love. Beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this album because it is definitely something to see. And again, this is with Boxable number 8, and all of this goes back to Wendy. What do I want to tell you about Boxable? Again, if you think that your mini albums are not complete without storage boxes, you want to sign up for this. I want you to know that all these storage boxes have the wow factor, but they're easy to assemble. I give you blank canvases with your storage boxes. You can take them wherever you want them to go. All right. Again, with this one, I gave suggestions to add pockets on the inside, pocket on the outside. You can even add a belly band on the top of here and have some kind of insertion point here. Let's say if you wanted to add a note. All right. If this was a gift where you wanted to include a gift card as well, a belly band on the top of here with an insertion with some kind of, a mat that you can include your gift card. Hello, the holidays are right around the corner. You can do so much with these boxes. And can I tell you, should I tell you? I should tell you that Boxable is pretty pricey. All right, I'm not going to lie to you guys. However, remember what you're getting. These are 12 boxes and videos and tutorials and resizing sheets that comes out to less than $10 a box. So here we go. What I'm doing for you all. Black Friday sale, November 24th through December 15th. You get 50% off. So you can get Boxable at 50% off, and that's $5 a box. So you're welcome, guys. I hope you enjoy that, and I hope you take advantage of the sale. Thank you, Wendy, for a spectacular album. Great, great inspiration in this album. So hopefully you guys can walk away with some fun ideas. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.